The A.O. Smith error code E55 appears on your water heater display when the system detects a potential problem. This error code has two primary meanings that you need to understand. E55 typically indicates water leak detection, where sensors have detected moisture around the unit. However, it can also appear during new installations when the tank is not completely full of water. When you encounter this error, your first step is to confirm the exact error code on your water heater's display and consult your user manual for model-specific information. Next, perform a visual inspection around your water heater. Look carefully for any signs of water leakage on the floor, around connections, and near the base of the unit. Also inspect the electrical wiring for any signs of moisture or water damage. Water on electrical components can trigger the E55 error and create safety hazards. If this is a new installation and you find no visible leaks, the error likely indicates that your tank is not completely full. This is a common occurrence that can be resolved by ensuring proper tank filling. First, we need to verify if the water heater tank is properly filled. Check the pop-off safety valve to see if water comes out when activated. If no water comes out of the pop-off valve, the tank is not full. Manually hold the valve open to help the tank fill faster by allowing air to escape. Once water flows from the safety valve, allow it to close normally, and then power cycle the unit at the circuit breaker. If the E55 error code persists after power cycling, the issue may be a faulty leak sensor or residual moisture triggering the sensor. If you're unable to clear the error code or it continues to reappear, contact a qualified technician or plumber for professional assistance.